front of me is Redmi Note 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, decide which app you want to use on the top half of your screen and launch it in the background, like that. Now you need to hold it until you see all of those icons on the left. Then click on this one with the rectangles under a padlock. Now click on Home button and tap on this second app. As you can see now, I can use both at once. If you want to go back from this mode, you can either go back into background apps and swipe it, or if you want to still use one of them, hold this line in the middle and drag one all the way up or all the way down. Then hit Home button. Quick tip, most people don't know that this Redmi, I will just open split screen again, offers those three dots at the top of each app. After tapping on them, you will get access to all of those options. You can click on one of those icons here if you want to switch places of your apps. You can click on this one to use the chosen app in full screen view instantly. This one to use chosen app as a floating window overlaying the second app. You can also do it the other way around by picking split screen on a floating window. And last but not least, you can click on this X in order to close chosen app and switch it to another one. If you wish, you can also open two apps in the background instantly. Hold one you want to use at the top, and then tap on the second one instantly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!